Emergent versus Cursor, two rising stars in AI coding tools. But only one truly changes the game. Which one really delivers? On the left, Emergent, the agent-powered app builder that promises to automate your entire workflow. And on the right, Cursor, the supercharged AI coding sidekick, built right into your favorite IDE. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's the mind map of everything we're going to compare. First up, core approach. Are they agent-driven or a coding sidekick? Then features. Who's got the wildest stuff? We'll look at pricing, ease of use, integrations, and finally, who it's best for. Yep, we're going all in. All right, core approach. Emergent is, I swear, it's like if ChatGPT built not just a code snippet, but your entire app. You just describe what you need, and its AI agents plan, code, test, and even deploy the app for you. It's honestly wild. It tackles complex stuff, from front end to back end, plus those annoying deployment tasks. But here's the catch. It's a bit less hands-on if you're someone who likes to tweak every line of code. So not for the ultra coder purist. Now, Cursor goes at it a bit differently. It gives you this VS Code-inspired environment, but with crazy deep AI pair programming. Like you're actually coding, but your AI sidekick helps refactor, finds bugs, and answers questions in context. You get total control, but it won't just build and launch an app for you in one click. So if automation is your jam, Emergent's got your back. And yep, you guessed it, Emergent takes the win here. Next, features. Emergent's got the full package. It can build out entire code bases from plain English prompts, refactor, update libraries, run migrations, test, fix bugs, connect to SaaS, wrangle data pipes, and deploy, all with AI agents you can tweak and customize. It's like having a dev team, but all virtual. If you want to do some deep manual tinkering, you might sometimes need to step in. But for most workflows, it's hands-off and snappy. Cursor, it shines for power user coders. Instant AI autocomplete, smart rewriting, search, plus it understands your whole code base. So refactoring is super efficient. You can pile on extensions and themes, really personalize the workspace. But even then, it won't just ship the app for you. You're still steering the ship. So for sheer feature madness, Emergent jumps ahead again. All right, pricing. Both tools have free plans, but they handle upgrades and credits a little differently. Emergent gets you 10 free uses a day, which is pretty great for light users. And then it goes up to $20 a month for more serious use. Custom agents and big context windows. Pro plan's your friend. Downside. You can definitely burn through credits if you're building nonstop. Cursor, meanwhile, lets you in for free at a basic level. Want some real muscle? You'll need the paid plans. Pro Plus goes for $60 a month. Ultra's $200. Yikes for indie devs. And Teams can be nice for collabs at $40 a pop per user. Unlimited completions on the higher plans is sweet. But honestly, if you're solo, it can add up. All things considered, I gotta call this one a tie. It really depends how much you build and the scale you need. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Emergent's agents can literally generate, test, and deploy production-ready apps in just a few minutes. You barely need to touch any code. How wild is that? Now, ease of use. Emergent's vibe is totally no code or low code. You just type what you want, and it does its thing. Planning, building, and deploying. All kind of hands-off. If you love having your hands in the code, you might feel boxed out, though. Cursor, on the other hand, feels exactly like the IDE you already know and love. Just souped up with AI hints and helpers everywhere. You're still coding, still in command, but everything's faster and smoother because the AI always has your back. So, for old school devs and anyone attached to their code editor, Cursor is a no-brainer winner here. Integrations. Emergent will automate all sorts of SaaS hookups and even spin up data pipelines. And honestly, that's a lifesaver for busy founders or internal tool builders. Its focus is more on internal tool scaffolding. So if you just need something up and running fast, Emergent fits the bill. But for deep extensibility and customized workflows, Cursor is on another level. It plugs right into tons of IDE extensions, themes, and just basically works with everything in VS Code's ecosystem. So if you live in your code editor, Cursor takes it, hands down. Best for? Okay, this is actually hard to call. Emergent fits founders, product managers, data folks, and anyone who wants to get a working app out fast, without the traditional dev cycle. It's also a blast for internal tools and quick prototyping. Downside, if you want to control every tiny code detail, you might get a little antsy. Cursor is awesome if you're a developer who loves total control, but wouldn't mind AI popping in to suggest smarter refactors, find bugs, and speed up boring tasks. Great for big collaborative projects, or coding that goes on for weeks. Just you'll be doing most of the actual building. So between them, honestly, it's a tie. Just pick the tool that fits your workflow. Let's take a quick look at the radar chart. You'll see Emergent crushing it in full app delivery and automation, while Cursor dominates hands-on coding and deep IDE integrations. Pricing and who it's best for? Pretty close on both. The chart really makes it clear where each shines. So after all that, here's my honest take. If you dream about an AI just building your entire app from a simple prompt, Emergent is where it's at. If you want AI help alongside your normal coding flow, Cursor is basically the most powerful code buddy you could ask for in 2025. It really just comes down to full automation versus AI-powered traditional coding. Pretty nuts, right? If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.